ஹலோ வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் வானம்பாடி. நம்ம சேனலுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க இன்றைக்கி கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஃபார் பேங்க் எக்ஸாமில் என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். அப்ரிவியேஷன்ஸ். ICMR, இந்தியன் கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மெடிக்கல் ரிசர்ச். UNCLOS, United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea. NPPA, National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. CAPA, Center for Asia Pacific Aviation. COAI, Cellular Operators Association of India. TSSC, Telecom Sector Skill Council. AICF, All India Chess Federation. Persons. Director General of ICMR, Dr. Balram Bhargava. Union Power Minister, R.K. Singh. Foreign Secretary of India, Harshvardhan Shringala. Japanese Ambassador to India, Satoshi Suzuki. EU Health Commissioner, Stella Kyriakides. President of France, Emmanuel Macron. PM of France, Jean Castex. CEO of Air Asia, Sunil Bhaskaran. Director of FNB Methal, Royal Berquist. MD and CEO of Hyundai Motor India, S.S. Kim. CEO and MD of Tata Elxsi, Manoj Raghavan. National. ICMR looks at vaccine launch by August 15. The vaccine candidate called Covaxin has been developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech India Limited. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh said that India will not import power equipment from China, saying the sector, being strategic and essential, was vulnerable to cyber attacks. India's power equipment import bill was about 71,000 crore during 2018-19, including 20,000 crore purchases from China. Union Health Ministry had identified a list of critical medical equipment and had requested NPPA to ensure its availability at affordable prices. Manufacturers, importers of pulse oximeter, oxygen concentrator to ensure that prices on 1st April 2020 should not be increased more than 10% in a year. The Income Tax Department had issued refunds worth 62,361 crore to over 20 lakh taxpayers between April and June 30. International. Japanese Ambassador Satoshi Suzuki, in a discussion with Indian Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringala, said that Japan opposes unilateral actions that changes the status quo along the line of actual control between India and China. France President Emmanuel Macron picks new Prime Minister Jean Castex. Jean Castex, a top civil servant and local mayor who orchestrated France's COVID-19 lockdown exit strategy. Economy. An UK government consortium led by Bharti Enterprises has won a bid to acquire bankrupt satellite technology company OneWeb. Bharti's overseas arm, Bharti Global, would invest $500 million as a part of acquisition. Services sector contracts for a fourth straight month in June. The IHS market India service business activity index was at 33.7 in June, up from 12.6 recorded in May. A print below 50 denotes a contraction as per the IHS Markit Indian Services Purchase Managers Index. Intel Capital has agreed to invest 1,894.50 crore in Geo Platforms at an equity value of 4.91 lakhs crores and an enterprise value of 5.16 lakh crores. Tata Steel has agreed to demands of forecast at its IJmuiden unit in the Netherlands, saying no employee will lose job. South Korean carmaker Hyundai Motor India Limited has rolled out intelligent manual transmission on its sport utility vehicle Hyundai Venue. IMT is a two-pedal system that eliminates the need for drivers to constantly use the clutch plate as in conventional manual transmission. A Bombay High Court has directed the income tax departments to refund over 833 crore to Vodafone India Limited within 2 weeks. Rajan Matthews quitted from the Director General of COAI. SP Kochar, former CEO of TSSE, will take over Mr. Rajan. COAI new chairman Ajay Puri. Bharati's Airtel CEO for India and South Asia. COAI Vice Chairman PK Mittal. Granules Pharmaceutical voluntarily recalling 12 lots of diabetes drug metformin hydrochloride extended release tablets USP 750 mg in the US after nitrosodiumethylamine levels were found to be above acceptable daily intake limit. Sports. Because of pandemic, the $1.7 million Hero Indian Open Golf now stands cancelled. England will join the West Indies in wearing Black Lives Matter logos on shirts during the third Test series. Karnataka government gave in principle to approval of Bangalore Turf Club to conduct online betting. This club will develop a mobile app where punchers can place the bets and races and receive dividends through a digital wallet. Death. Saroj Khan, the choreographer, 3 times National Award winner, died on 3/7/2020. Thank you.